Look at that view in Seaside, California. This is Seaside. That ocean breeze. Guys, right now it's only 50 degrees. Some of y'all are in 100-degree weather. Look at that ocean. Look at that view. Can't beat it. I already showed you guys Del Monte Beach. Next up, I'll show you Seaside Beach, Monterey Beach, Carmel Beach. That all the way across the ocean over there. The other side is PG, then goes Carmel. That right there is all Monterey. Yeah, look at that. Y'all look at that. Back to look at another view. Look at that. Right there, over there is the wharf, Monterey. That's the Missy Suites right there. Oh, PG over there, that's Monterey. You go Pebble Beach. All the way back out.